and welcome to Summer Sparkling Good Time. So, um, kind of a different take on the November lineup. Um, October was bad. September and October, I was just a lot more busy than I anticipated being, and nothing got done like I thought it was. So, on this table here, we have all my WIPs. Okay, so we have the everything that currently already has drills on it that isn't finished. This is the stack of stuff that is supposed to be done for me to be able to shop for Black Friday. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. but that's the gist of this. So, first up we have Christmas Warm and Tears. I think it's by Macneil Studios from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. It's a full drill crystal kit with 32 colors. Now, this is a discontinued kit that I bought in, I think, 2022. It has to be 2022. But I had only done like these two sections, and then I had put it in storage, and I had somehow lost drill color 2, which is color 3. So I've emailed them to try to find out what my DMC code is. I just haven't heard back from them because I need to order that, because right here, all of these that aren't done, that's because they're 2s and I don't have them. But I have done all except the 2s in that section, and even started working over here. I've done a lot of the golds and yellows here and the whites. And I don't know if I just said that. This is a 40 by 50. But this is only one of 2 roundel kits I have on the lineup for November. So, yeah. Okay. So then we have the message, and I have not done any work on this. None at all since the last time you saw this. I haven't worked on this, I don't think, since September. Square drill kit. This is the message by Gretel Lusky from Distracted by Diamonds. Now, I had divided this into 7 rows, 7 rows, 5 columns. I've completed the bottom 15. I have this top 20 to go. It's beautiful, right? Lovely, colorful. But this is a lot of bale, and but it should come together pretty quickly because it's going to be a lot of color blocking. So we shall see about that. This one only has 31 colors, I believe. 30 or 31? 30 colors. It's a 52 by 70 square drill kit. When I actually do it, it probably will come fairly quickly. I just need to find the time to do it. And time has been a hot commodity over here lately. Okay, moving on. This is my only other round drill kit. This is Under the Sea by Sarah Moustafa from Diamond Art Club. This kit measures in, and I can never remember this measurement, 22 by 29 or 55.8 by 73.7 centimeters, 57 colors, round drills. Now this was divided into 30 sections. I've completed 14, and I am almost through. I'm like halfway done with number 15. So I am like a minute away from being halfway done. I just haven't had time to work on it. So there's that. Okay. Now this one, I don't know, you guys. I have messed myself up. Then there's my first ever premium kit that we started back in 2022 as well. And this is the one I'm pretty sure I don't have all the colors, but the only way to know is to do it. I just haven't had the time to do it. And this is back before I did sectioning the way I do sectioning, so it's a hot mess. Square drills. This is Escape from Eden by Tanya Shetseva, now going by Eva Gamayun from Craftibly. It is my last remaining Craftibly kit. It has 62 colors. I'm not sure. And it measures in at 28 by 20 inches. She's stunning. I need to do it. I haven't had time. Now, what you guys haven't seen is this WIP. Now, I started this for the Cheryl Baker event in 2023 and then stopped diamond painting. So this is the Wicked Witch Estate by Cheryl Baker from Diamond Art Club. It measures in at 27.5 by 35 inches or 70 by 89 centimeters. Square drill kit, 51 colors. And that's a really, really beautiful. But all I've done is these bottom 2 rows plus 1. And like this was really back when I wasn't sectioning the way I section now. So I don't even know how many there's left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 1, 2. It might have been 3. We'll call it 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're calling this 70 sections. And we all know that these are not even. So of the 70, I've completed 15. So not very far into this at all. But I will be working on this in November. This is my extra large square drill canvas that needs to be done in November. Now, if you're not noticing, do you see all the square drills? And there is a bird telling me all about it. Now, I think this one could be fun because it's very different colors, but we shall see. Okay, now, the sisters, you guys. Oh my gosh. So, I was able to get this section complete, and I'm about halfway through her face, but did not get done in October. It did not get done. So, to stay on track to get all of these extra large square drill canvases done by the end of 2024, I have to finish this one plus the Wicked Witch Estate here in November. And then the last one for December is The Astronomer by Miles Pinckney. Now, that bird is telling me all about it. This kid is like, if you don't like confetti, don't buy this kit. I'm going to tell you that right now. This has been, and like, it's very tedious, this kit for me. I'm not even sure what's going on, but it's just like, I'm bored with this canvas. I'm very bored. Do I think it's adorable? Yes. But am I bored to death? Yes. Completely. Completely and utterly bored to death. So, but I was trying to force myself to work on this. And then I got sick. I was sick on Halloween. So I did not, the only time getting it done on Halloween was this section. So I'm just going to put her away for a minute because I'm over it. I am over this canvas for now. And I'm like, okay, so I can go to a new color palette. Let's see. If we look at this one at least has color blocking, right? It looks like it'd be a lot more color blocking than what I have been doing with the other Cheryl Bakers. So that's an option, but I don't know. I don't know if that's exactly where I want to go with that. What I should do, probably make me feel real good about myself, is I should attempt to do this section. If I would do this section, I mean, there's hardly anything left here. That's like 12 inches by what, 16 inches? Not much to go at all. And then, I'm throwing stuff, you guys. I should finish this and get to the halfway point, but I'm worried about it. As soon as I hit the halfway point on this, I'm going to want to go. And with this being one of my only 2 round drill kits I'm allowed to work on, I was also thinking maybe I shouldn't rush into it because then I'll only have 1 round drill kit. So what I'm thinking is, I'm going to work on hers. Once I'm done filming today, I think I'm going to work on the message. Very different color palette, a lot of color blocking. Maybe it'll help me get a little bit of my mojo back because The sisters, it's whooping my tushy. Whooping my tushy. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 WIPs. Now, I have no idea if I'm going to get these done. I have no idea. I'm trying to give myself a little bit of grace. So I have 2 different budgets. I have a little budget if I don't get my WIPs done, but I must get to 5 WIPs or less, or I can't shop at all. And I cannot start another canvas until I have 2 finishes. And then if I do get everything done, then I can have the original budget I had set for Black Friday. But as of right now, I have a mini budget, just like very low budget. But I'm going to try to work on things because honestly, I could probably get this and this done fairly quickly. Sand and these top 4. So Escape from Eden, Under the Sea, The Message, and Christmas Warm Tears. Sans the missing drills. I could be able to get done fairly quickly. Now, if I can't finish this one or Escape from Eden, which is this one, due to missing drills, that does not count against me. I will just have to wait till they come in. Which makes me think I should work on these first so then I can order it because I'm talking about ordering the enhancement kit from DP with Sparklers for the Astronomer. But I'm not sure yet. I'm on the fence about it. If anyone knows of like a video or pictures of like a comparison of with the enhancements and without the enhancements for the Astronomer by Miles Pinckney from Diamond Art Club, let a girl know. Because I'm interested to see what the difference is. Because it's like $40.45 for the enhancement kit. And I mean, I think I paid $90 for the Astronomer. 89, 80, 70. It was one of the more expensive kits because it's large like this. So it's $74 to $90. But this is what we're doing in November. This is what we're gonna be doing in November. Sorry, this video is out late, but like I said, I was sick yesterday. Like I was up for a couple hours and I went right back to bed. And I slept almost all of yesterday and all last night. I think I was just worn out. So that's where we're at. As soon as I finish doing this video, I'm gonna film my October finished video, and then I am gonna get out all the stuff to film the December event announcement video, and then we're gonna probably film the start of the Ghost video. Ghost being in the new product that Allison sent me to try. It's gonna have to be filmed in like multiple days in like different segments and then be edited together. So there's that. But like a lot of filming today. A lot of filming today. So that's what we have. That's what you're hopefully going to see at least a few of these done throughout the month of November. And there will be some behind the scenes videos hopefully coming up in November. October and September just did me dirty. I'm just not even gonna lie. But that's where we are. I'm hoping things are gonna settle down now and we'll get back to business. But I can't guarantee that because I have circumstances outside of my control that are not my story to tell. That I haven't gotten permission to tell that are currently affecting my schedule. So that's what we have. I appreciate y'all so very much. I would like to say though that when I originally ordered a full drill crystal kit, I hated both of them. But when I ordered these, I was fairly new to diamond painting. And I didn't know how ABs, regular drills, crystals, how they reacted differently to different products, to different methods of placement. I didn't know. And so when I first got these, I hated them. But now that I'm a more experienced diamond painter and I've done a lot more specials and have figured out some tips and tricks, I'm not mad at this right now. I'm not mad at it anymore. Do I love it? No. But am I hating it as much as I did when I put it away? No. So just a thought on that. But I would go small. I would go a stained glass or very cartoonish image on my first full crystal kit if it were me purchasing again now for the first time. So that's what I have for you today. I appreciate y'all so very, very much for watching. Y'all be so kind as to boop my snoot. If you're new here, that just means hit the like button. It's a quick, free, easy way for you to support the channel. And I think you're awesome when you do so. Feel free to share this video with anyone you think might gain enjoyment from it. Promise I won't be mad at you. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Gosh, does anyone else have 6 or more whips, or is it just me? Because I feel like I have, like, the whip graveyard is it's too much for me anymore, and I have to get this under control. What else we got? Oh, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to subscribe. At last count, I think I was sitting at 730 subscribers. So thank you, everybody who has subscribed. You guys are amazing. My little hobby channel with 730 subscribers. What's that? Crazy. So I appreciate y'all so very much. You guys have no idea. April did win the giveaway for the 2025 Diamond Art Club calendar I got from Hobby Lobby. That was mailed out to her yesterday, so she's supposed to have that by Saturday. So congratulations, April. Where are we at? I think that's it. So, like I said, thank you so much for watching. I have more videos to film, and I'd actually like to get some diamond painting done today. So, until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.